Hello, my friend. Welcome to my All Farmers channel, which is for all American farmers. Have you ever wondered about the journey of those delicious cashews you enjoy? From the farm to your plate, it's a fascinating process. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cashew nut processing. We'll explore the intricate steps involved in transforming raw cashew nuts into the tasty treats we all love. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to receive more exciting videos from the world of farming and food processing. Cashew nuts are not just a delicious and popular snack. They go through a fascinating journey before they reach our tables. This journey begins in the tropical regions of the world, where cashew trees thrive and produce their unique fruits. Join us as we explore how cashew nuts go from being raw seeds on a tree to the crunchy, seasoned snacks we love. Cashew trees are typically found in tropical regions with warm climates and well-drained sandy or laterite soils. These trees are planted from either seeds or grafts, with care taken to ensure proper spacing between them for optimal growth. This is crucial because cashew trees need room to stretch their branches and receive ample sunlight. Once the trees are established, they require minimal care, but still need regular watering, fertilization, and pest control to thrive. Over the years, they become more resilient, but even so, periodic attention is essential. It takes about 3 to 5 years for a cashew tree to start bearing fruit, and they reach full production capacity in 8 to 12 years. This long maturation process makes cashew cultivation a patient and rewarding endeavor for farmers. The first step in harvesting cashew nuts begins with the collection of cashew apples. These bright yellow or red fruits grow on the same tree as the cashew nut and have a unique structure. The nut is attached to the bottom of the apple. Harvesting cashew apples is labor-intensive, requiring workers to carefully pluck each fruit by hand. It's important to harvest them at the right time to avoid any spoilage. Once the apples are harvested, the cashew nuts are separated from the fruits. But this is just the beginning of a multi-step process. The nut is still encased in a hard shell that must be handled with care due to the presence of a toxic liquid known as anacardic acid. This acid can cause skin irritation, making the handling process a delicate task. The harvested nuts are laid out in the sun to dry, a process known as sun drying, which is often preferred in regions with abundant sunlight. This drying step reduces moisture content and helps preserve the nuts before they are sent off for further processing. Once the cashews arrive at the factory, they undergo several critical processing steps. The first stage is washing, which begins with the unloading of large bags of dried cashew nuts from transport vehicles. In modern factories, cashews are washed using large rotary washers or conveyor belt systems. These machines handle thousands of nuts at a time, thoroughly rinsing them with clean water to remove dirt and contaminants that may have accumulated during harvesting and transport. After the first rinse, the nuts may be agitated or scrubbed to remove stubborn dirt particles. This is followed by a second rinse to ensure all surface contaminants are removed. The nuts then go through a draining process to remove excess water, preventing them from becoming waterlogged. In some facilities, a drying phase follows to eliminate any residual moisture, ensuring the nuts are fully prepared for roasting. Roasting is a crucial step in the production of cashew nuts. The nuts are roasted at high temperatures to enhance their flavor and texture. This process not only brings out a rich, nutty taste, but also helps eliminate any remaining moisture in the nuts. The roasting temperature and time vary depending on the desired flavor profile and the crunchiness of the finished product. For some cashew varieties, A lighter roast is preferred, while others may undergo a deeper roasting for a richer, more intense flavor. The key to roasting cashews is finding the perfect balance of heat and time. Too little roasting can result in a soft, chewy texture, while over-roasting can make the nuts dry and overly crunchy. The roasting stage is essential for achieving the perfect cashew nut. Shelling and extraction. After roasting, the cashews are ready to be separated from their tough outer shells. This stage, known as shelling, is one of the most labor-intensive steps in cashew production. In small operations, workers use handheld tools such as nutcrackers to carefully crack open the cashew shells. This method, though slow, ensures that the nut inside is not damaged, which is critical for preserving quality. In larger-scale operations, mechanical shelling machines are used. These machines apply adjustable pressure to crack open the shells, and some use rollers or blades to break the shells, while others rely on pneumatic systems for rapid cracking. Mechanical shelling is more efficient and can handle larger volumes of nuts, but manual methods still play a significant role in ensuring quality, especially when dealing with irregularly shaped nuts or delicate batches. After the shells are cracked, the cashew kernels are extracted and sorted. In many cases, workers also manually peel the thin skin surrounding the nut, a process that requires skill and precision. Despite the rise of machines, manual peeling is still preferred for maintaining high-quality standards and ensuring each nut is handled with care. Once the cashews have been shelled and peeled, they are ready to enter the final stages of preparation for packaging. For large-scale distribution, cashews are often packaged in bulk containers such as sacks, drums, or large bulk bags. These containers are designed to hold significant quantities of cashews, making the transportation process more efficient and cost-effective. Bulk packaging allows for the easy movement of large volumes of nuts to wholesalers, food manufacturers, or other industrial users who may process the nuts further or use them as ingredients in their own products. This method of packaging minimizes the handling of individual units, reducing labor costs and providing a streamlined approach for mass distribution. It also helps reduce packaging waste, which is beneficial from an environmental standpoint. Bulk packaging is essential for meeting the demands of industrial-scale operations, where cashews are often processed into products like cashew butter, snacks, or culinary ingredients. For retail purposes, however, cashews are packaged in smaller, more consumer-friendly formats, such as vacuum-sealed bags. These bags are specifically designed to remove air, creating a vacuum seal that significantly helps preserve the freshness and extends the shelf life of the nuts by preventing oxidation and maintaining their crunchiness. Vacuum-sealed packaging also protects the cashews from moisture and contaminants, which could affect their quality over time. This type of packaging is available in various sizes, from small snack pouches, perfect for on-the-go consumption, to larger family-sized bags, ideal for sharing or bulk buying. By offering different package sizes, manufacturers cater to the diverse needs of consumers, from those seeking convenient single-serve portions to those purchasing in larger quantities for home use. This packaging process not only preserves the quality of the nuts, but also ensures that the product remains appealing and fresh when it reaches the consumer, ready for enjoyment in a variety of settings. At this stage, cashew nuts undergo a crucial transformation, seasoning, which is essential for enhancing their flavor and making them more appealing to consumers. Various seasoning methods are employed to achieve the desired taste profile. One common approach is tumbling, where the cashews are placed in a rotating drum or tumbler. In this method, the nuts are gently mixed with a seasoning blend, which can include salt, spices, or other flavoring agents like garlic powder, chili, or honey. The rotating motion of the drum ensures that the seasoning is evenly distributed across all the cashews, creating a uniform flavor coating. Another popular method is spraying, where a liquid seasoning solution is applied directly onto the nuts. Alternatively, some manufacturers choose to coat the nuts with a dry seasoning mixture, which can be a combination of herbs, spices, or even sweet ingredients, depending on the desired flavor outcome. The key to successful seasoning is achieving an even and consistent coating of flavor on every single nut. To ensure the best results, cashews may be left to rest for a period after seasoning. This resting time allows the flavors to fully penetrate the surface of the nuts, ensuring that each bite is packed with rich, infused taste. During this time, the seasoning also helps to bond better with the roasted nuts, giving them a crispy, flavorful outer layer that enhances the overall snacking experience. Whether using savory seasonings or sweet coatings, this step transforms simple roasted cashews into a vibrant snack that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, whether as a standalone treat, mixed with other snacks, or incorporated into culinary recipes. The result is a product that's not just nutritious, but also bursting with flavor, appealing to a wide range of taste preferences. Once the cashew nuts have been expertly seasoned, the next step is to portion them into smaller quantities that are suitable for retail sale. This is where automated filling equipment plays a crucial role. These machines are designed to measure and dispense the nuts into individual snack packs with high precision. This automation ensures that each package contains the exact amount of cashews, maintaining consistency in weight and portion size across all units. The packaging process is swift and efficient, with the nuts being sealed in airtight bags to preserve their freshness and crunchiness. After sealing, each pack is labeled with product information such as nutritional content, brand details, and expiration dates. The final product is then ready to be sent to stores, providing a convenient and attractive snack option for consumers. Once packaged, the cashew nuts are ready for distribution, and this stage involves complex logistics to ensure that they reach their intended markets. Distribution networks, which may include a combination of wholesalers, retailers, and vending machine operators, are key to making sure that the cashews are readily available for purchase by consumers. These networks utilize a combination of transportation methods, trucks, ships, and even air freight, to move large quantities of packaged cashews to various regions. Retailers, including supermarkets, convenience stores, and online platforms, receive their shipments and make the products available to consumers. Vending machine operators also play a role in distributing single-serving packs in locations like office buildings, airports, and gyms, ensuring that cashew nuts are accessible in a wide variety of settings. The efficiency of these distribution channels helps meet the growing demand for this popular snack and ensures it's easily accessible around the world. Cashew nuts are incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide variety of culinary creations. Aside from being a tasty snack, they can be incorporated into many recipes, including desserts, salads, and curries. Cashews are also used to make alternative products, such as cashew cheese, which is a popular dairy-free alternative. Cashew cheese is made by blending cashews with water, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, garlic, herbs, and spices until it reaches a smooth, creamy consistency resembling traditional cheese. Whether enjoyed as a wholesome snack, incorporated into savory dishes, or blended into creative products like cashew cheese, cashew nuts continue to captivate taste buds and inspire culinary creativity worldwide. From the moment a cashew tree is planted to the final packaging of the seasoned nuts, the journey of a cashew nut is full of intricate processes that ensure it reaches consumers in its best form. Whether you enjoy them as a quick snack or use them to elevate your cooking, cashews are an incredible product that reflects the hard work, patience, and care involved in their production. The next time you crack open a bag of cashews, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the journey that brought them to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.